Motorbiking with survival skills.
We're often told that motorcycles are most stable upright, but with only two wheels, they're actually inherently unstable. Stop with your feet up for a demonstration. Once rolling, the bike gains stability, but it's dynamic. That means our degree of stability changes as we make machine inputs, braking, steering, leaning, and accelerating. We also have to ask how much grip our tyres have on the road surface under the wheels, a topic I've been looking at for the past 3 weeks. Did you notice how the road surface changed through the previous bend? Since a loss of stability may well result in a loss of control, then a good definition of stability is that we're not actually crashing, for the moment. What would happen with too much lean on the porous surface? As we saw in previous videos, road surfaces vary enormously and can change very quickly. So whilst we can set out to enjoy the twists and turns of a road, there are two crucial questions we need to ask. Just how much stability do we have in reserve? And is it enough if we hit a poor surface?